My name is Jayme Amos. I'm the host of the course. I'm the CEO of Ideal Practices, the consulting firm that helps associate dentists go from employee to successful startup practice owner with a practice they love. If you're an associate dentist, I would like to invite you into this web course training. It's an online course made just for associate dentists who want to learn how to open a successful startup practice. There are 3 things that I want you to be able to take away from this course. It's an online training, and doctors have paid hundreds of dollars just to attend, but we have a free copy, a free version that we've made available to associates so they can learn this whole process too. So the big topics you're going to get, number 1 is the topic of where, right? Where in the world do I open? Where is the safe place? Where is the place where this topic of demographics or real estate might guide you to open a successful startup practice? The second topic is that of financing. How do you afford it? What's the real math? What about budgets? What about business plans? Some banks say you don't need business plans, but why do the successful doctors all have business plans if the banks don't even say it's required? How does that work? And what categories of spending do I need to have, right? Those kinds of questions. And then the third one is, what is the predictable, proven process? So I'd like to show you on this online training the sequential, exact step-by-step process that you can follow to be able to open your own successful startup practice. So just click on this green button. It'll get you started so you can register your spot in the course. And I can't wait to see you there. This has changed the lives of associate dentists who are looking for a practice that represents them, that matches their clinical standards, and gives them the freedom to practice on their own terms with control. So I can't wait to meet you there. I hope I'll see you on the course, and we'll talk soon. Thanks. Take care.